How would you like to learn an affiliate strategy where you could earn $1,600 a month, or probably even more, over and over and over, passively every month in affiliate marketing? Well, if that's you, then you want to stick around and see this whole video today, and I'm anxious to show it to you. So we're going to get started on it here right quick. But first of all, for those of you that are new to my videos and you haven't yet subscribed, reach down there below your video right now while we're talking about it and thinking about it. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, and you can be the first to come and take advantage of those brand new uploads immediately. Alrighty. Alright guys, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm sort of excited to show you this. This is an affiliate marketing strategy here. I'm going to show you one place that you can market this on a really high free traffic site, and you'll need to use your creativity on many other free ways that you can market it, and I'll give you some ideas later on in the video here. So the first site we want to come over here to is this site right here, guys. You've seen this site here maybe before, I don't know. It's called Unbounce. You can see it right here. It's called Unbounce. Look up here in the address bar, guys. It's unbounce.com. Sort of a strange name, isn't it, for a landing page site? This site is a landing page site that people can come to, marketers such as you and I can come here and sign up, and we can easily build professional looking landing pages, or websites, if you will. That's interchangeable. Landing page or squeeze page or website are all interchangeable, meaning the same thing. It's a landing page we're talking about. There are normal websites too, like a blog or something. And but this is a site that people come to, and they can build beautiful looking landing pages. It says here, design beautiful landing pages for your small business, and it's really good. This site is a really good landing page builder, and there are many people who use this particular site to make their landing pages or squeeze pages and or websites as well. So, but don't worry, it's not what we're here for. We're not going to join Unbounce here and build landing pages. In fact, if you are a marketer and you would like to see a good place to build your landing page, first of all, let me show you the pricing here on this site here, Unbounce. As we come over here and click on pricing up here, it comes over here, and you can see that their pricing is fairly high here for their packages and what you get. And this is not a full automated platform. In other words, you can't get email contacts or any kind of email usage out of this, although you can integrate Aweber or any of the other email sites, contact, iContact, whatever. You can integrate those with this site, but you don't have that, and the prices are pretty high for what you get here actually. But there are a lot of people that love this site and make really good landing pages with it. Now, but if you're interested in a good site to build a landing page, this is the one I recommend right here, guys. It's called systeme.io. You see it up here in the address bar. I have talked about this, and you can see the prices here. They even have a free one, and you're allowed up to 1,000 email contacts, and you can send unlimited emails right from this platform, as well as landing pages and sales funnels you can build, and so on and so forth. And you can see their prices are much better for everybody at $27, $47, $97. All right, and incidentally, if you guys want to see this site, I've got the link for it right down there in the top of my description. Just come down where it says system.io and click that, and you can come over and take a look at this site if you're interested in having your own really good, easily used. If you want to see how easy it is to use this site, guys, you want to come down and watch this video right here where you see my mouse is. This video here, I made system.io as a ClickFunnels alternative, and I show you in there how easy it is to build a website on system.io. So if you want to watch this video, I show you how to do it, or you can click the link and come over and check this out yourself. Now, let's get back to what we're talking about here. So, on this site here, we are not going to join it. We are going to become affiliates with this site. And it's really easy. You want to come down and scroll all the way to the bottom of the site, guys. And under the company category or column right here, guys, you want to come down here and you see right here where it says Partner Program. You want to click on that right there. And that brings us over here to the Partner Program page, and it says we can earn 20% recurring revenue for every referral that you refer. And look here, it's passive, guys. Get paid monthly for every one. And it says right here, once your referrals pay on their account, you earn a 20% lifetime cut of every transaction for as long as they are an Unbounce customer. So that means every month they make their payment, guess what? You get paid also. All right, that's what makes this really good. Now, if we scroll down here, we can sort of see there are a lot of other larger companies here on the web that use this site, Unbounce, and they are also partners with them too. And what we can do is we come down here. It says how much. Here's how much you could be earning. It says hello passive income. Just imagine this type of cashola rolling into your bank account every single month. All right. Now, if you refer 10 people right here, you can make $320 per month. If you refer 25 people, it's $800 per month you can make. And if you refer just 50 people, you can make $1,600 a month that you can earn off of this site, and that's monthly, ongoing for life, as long as they remain a customer. That's really, really good. That's really good. So, as you can see, that you get a dedicated partner coach. You get a custom dashboard to track your progress and stuff, and they even give you resources and training materials on how to maximize your ability to market this particular product. Now stick around. I told you I'm going to show you one place where you can market this to some heavy traffic and get yourself a good jump start in marketing your affiliate link. But what you want to do is you want to click on this link right here, become an Unbounce partner today. And when you click on that, it brings you over here to Partner Stack. And here at Partner Stack, you can see that this is their affiliate program form. And you just want to fill out this form right here, guys. Fill out all these particular categories that are required by the asterisks. And then click the I agree to their terms and service down here. Click the next button. Walk through signing up to get your affiliate links. And once you get your affiliate link, you'll be able to log into your back office and then pick up all your affiliate link, and even some, they'll probably give you banners and training tools, like it said, and all kinds of different tools that you can use to help you market your particular affiliate link with this site. So after you get your affiliate link, where are you going to market it at? Well, I'm going to show you one place, guys, and you can do this. Just use your imagination and creativity, and you can market it in many other ways. You could even drive paid traffic to your affiliate link if you wanted to do like Google ads or Facebook ads or something like that. You can do that as well too. But for free, I'm going to show you one way, and guys, that's the way to do that is to come over here to Facebook. You see I've logged into my Facebook account, and I clicked on right up here where it says groups, guys, and look over here in the search engine on the left right here, guys. I typed in landing pages. That's just 2 keywords I used. You can use many other things like maybe make money online or how to build a money-making landing page. I mean, just use your idea on keywords to put in the search engine, and you're going to find lots of places and groups here on Facebook that you can join and sort of get to know the people. You don't want to spam your affiliate link, right? You can just talk with people and tell them about you found a really good site that's helped you make really good landing pages, and that they could get 20% off, which is what they say over here. If I come back, that they can get 20% off on their as soon as they sign up here. I don't know if I saw it. I don't know if I showed that to you. That's 20% off, I do believe. Wasn't it? Didn't it say 20% off here? Yeah, 14-day free trial, and you get and they'll give you 20% off on that as well. So that's, I'm not sure whether it was on the affiliate page or not, but they get 20% off, and then a 14-day free trial, and you can market that to the people in the groups, or you can just get to know the people in the groups, talk with them, and then just place your link, your affiliate link, right below at the bottom. You don't even have to say anything about it, and they'll probably click on it out of curiosity, and then that'll take them over to your to the Unbounce page here. And then if they sign up, guess what? You're going to make monthly passive income. And you can see, guys, that all I did, for example, is I typed in landing pages, and it brought up all these. This one here, landing page and funnel experts, got 11,000 members. There's 406. There's 6,000, and it goes on and on and on, guys. You can come down through here, all kinds of different places that you can market your affiliate link with Unbounce to people that are looking for good places to build landing pages. Well, guys, that's the method I had for you today. If you like this method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm. And if you have any comments about this video or anything, just leave them down there in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you get notified. And if you want to see my #1 free recommended video presentation on high ticket affiliate marketing, where you can make up to $1,000 in one day's possibility or more, you want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com down there in the top of my description, and come over and watch my free video presentation that'll show you the formula on how you can become a high ticket affiliate marketer. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.